Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got me a unboxing to do today. I ordered some shoes and I just got it in. So they're from Converse. So I'm going to open up the package. As you can see, I open up the box and you can see a little bit of pink. I'm very excited. Okay, here they are from the back. Look at that star. On the side, I have Simpli on them. They're in a hot pink color and they're the platforms. I am so excited. I've been waiting for these. They are trimmed in the gold eyelets instead of the white ones. And I got white shoestrings. I started to get a yellow pair. And I got me a pink Dior jogging set. Would go with this really nice. This is nice. They are nice. They're not too heavy. I thought they would have been heavy, but they wasn't. And you can go and customize your shoes on the website. You can get them in, I think these were in black, white, and pink. And you can customize the eyelet, your shoestrings. You can put a black border around them. Or if you don't want the black border, but I wanted to accent the black from underneath. They got enough rubber on them. And I wear size 8, but they look like they're 10. But they're size 8. They are darlings. I just love them. I think I paid, I want to say $149 at the site, at the Converse site. I think they were $149. I'm gonna put the real price in the descriptions down low. And they're Chuck Taylors. Now y'all know I love a Chuck. This is my bringing up shoes, all stars. And there were also Pro Kids. But yeah, I thought these would be fun and cute with the little platform. Nice rubber under the bottom. Nice, comfortable rubber. Good for walking, jogging. And they have them also in a leather-like material. But I am in love with my shoes. Hey you guys, guess what's going on today? Our solar panels going up. Yay! Our solar panels going up. Yeah. Here go the trucks with the panels. As you can see, they got up the tape, the yellow tape, surrounding the house. You guys can see we got the solar panel box on the house now. So let me show you the rest. As you can see, it's on this side as well. Let me get in a little closer if I can. See all that stuff sticking up off the roof? That's the solar panel.